Ang isang espesyal na mensahe mula sa ating munting magtatapos na si Yunesa Ivory S. Lacson na magbibigay ng pasasalamat sa ngalan ng kanyang mga kaklase.
Our kindergarten years are over, but all the memories we made today is just the beginning of a new chapter in our lives. All the things we have learned from my school will never be put into waste. On behalf of all the kindergarten completers, I, Vanessa Avery S. Lacson, would like to extend heartfelt gratitude to the people behind our success. To my Teacher Elizabeth Hipolito, who molded and guidance in everything that we did. Thank you, Teacher Irene, who continue to teach us and guidance. Thank you. Thank you for imparting good values which evolve us to become what we are today. Our hardworking school head, Sir Antonio C. Santos, and to the teachers of Labacle Elementary School. Thank you for support and guidance. To my classmates whom we shared our laughters with, thank you. Our dear parents who provided us not only the things needed in school, but also the most important thing in the world called love. Thank you. And to you, our Lord, thank you for giving us wisdom and strength. This will be possible through guidance, power, and your presence. Thank you to everyone, and congratulations